So today I will be reviewing the Brazilian Hair Botox Expert Thermal Mask. This mask is a keratin mask. As you all may or may not know, keratin is a form of protein. Protein can help give your hair some life, strength, as well as shine. But too much protein can cause protein overload, which can cause breakage. So I would have to say, always listen to your hair and it will tell you what it needs. The package do come sealed, so that is a plus for me. That shows that it wasn't tampered or opened with. And inside the box, you do get some instructions on how to do it. You guys probably can't see that. And it also shows some before and after pictures as well as a coupon code. So this Brazilian Bottox Expert treatment is from a company called Nutree. Hopefully I'm saying that right. So this product is for all hair types. So this Brazilian Hair Botox lasts up to 8 weeks. This do have marine collagen, glutamic acid, as well as almond oil in it. If you all didn't know, glutamic acid is an amino acid, and amino acids are key to hair growth as well as lymph retention. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I use this product as well as put the directions on the screen. So I'm going to jump right into the products that you need to do this treatment. You do need a mixing bowl as well as a mixing brush, some hair clips, as well as some gloves to protect your hand. These are the only gloves that I have on hand right now, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, y'all, so I just finished washing everything out of my hair after the 40 minutes, and this is pretty much how my hair looks. This is pretty much how my hair looks. Only thing that concerns me is I don't really see my curl pattern. My curl pattern is not as tight as it was before.
Alright, y'all. So this is what my hair is looking like.
I really want to go in with my Curls Dynasty Oil Blend. But most girls that I seen their videos, they just blew their hair out and flat ironed it.
But they wasn't type 4. Their hair wasn't type 4. It wasn't in the type 4 category.
So I think I'm just going to add a dime-sized amount of this oil to my hair. And then I'm going to flat iron. You know we do things different on this channel. But I'm type 4. I'm a type 4 girl, okay? Baby needs some oil. She needs some oil. The final result. I try to get my hair bone straight as possible. I honestly think if you are a type 4 girl, this is a product that will probably have you on the fence. I feel like this product will more so cater to my type 1, 2, and 3 girls who is going for that bone sleek straight look. I think this will be the best product for you guys. But as for me, I feel like what had me on the fence about this product is I just hope that my curl pattern returned back. I did notice a difference once I washed this stuff out of my hair. My hair was really soft. It didn't look too dull looking. My hair blew out with no problem. It flat ironed with no problem. Normally I can't even get through a whole flat iron session without my hair being back puffy. With this particular product, I didn't have any problems with flat iron in my hair. I did notice my hair was less frizzy, so that is a good thing. I will most likely be coming back within another 4 to 6 weeks to let you guys know if my curl pattern actually returned. Application process was pretty easy. Just make sure you are in a well ventilated room. This stuff is kind of strong. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like, comment, as well as subscribe and turn on all your post notifications so you ladies will not miss the next update on this product. But like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and I'll talk to y'all later.